The National People's Party will lodge a complaint with the Election Commission against disturbances created by supporters of the Voice of the People Party at the public meetings. This was informed by the state president of NPP Meghalaya, Preston Thinsong. Stating that such incidents have never happened in the past, Thinsong said resorting to such tactics only reflect poorly on the VPP. Meanwhile, Thinsong has defended Tura MP candidate Agatha Sangma's action on supporting the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Bill. He said Agatha gave her nod only after it was made clear that the 6th schedule areas of Meghalaya will be exempted from its purview.
See, from the state government side, we have our own, our own say on this, and the direction has been given. And I've told DG, I've told the respective SPs to be alert and also not to allow such disturbances to happen while campaigning. Any party, any candidate, wherever they go for campaigning, after due process, after due allotment made by the Election Commission, means nobody should disrespect, nobody should come in between to disturb such campaign of any candidates that we have.
The Regional Democratic Alliance on